Hey guys, I'm Sara Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor and designer. Whenever I'm going to build a deck, I want to start with some conceptual sketches to make sure that it scales the space appropriately. I like to look at mood boards, putting together different colors and textures and fabrics so I can get a good idea of what the finished space will look like before I start. For this project, I want to focus on a small, entertaining space. Fluidity and functionality is really important. When choosing your decking material, it's really important to choose a color that fits with everything because it's such a big part of the yard. Because the house is already gray, I chose Fiberon Armor Guard in their Nantucket Gray because I think it just brings everything together. If you're into recycling, that's great because this deck is made out of polyethylene, which is 96% recycled content. It never needs annual preserving or painting, and it has the look of exotic hardwoods. Here are some tips on how I like to put together an outdoor patio space. Tip 1, flow. Flow is important. You don't want to cramp up your space too much and keep good circulation because it will create balance and harmony at its foundation. Tip 2, plants. You might want to consider placing plants on side tables to create more floor space for circulation. Also, bringing in taller plants can create layering and texture and really change the ambiance. Tip 3, keeping it comfy. You'll want to bring in patio furniture and rugs to make the space feel cozy. Furniture will help define the space and make it feel inviting, adding pops of color and texture. And a lounge area really helps bring people together using the space at its fullest. I love Fiberon furniture by Brazesta. This lagoon color really complements my Fiberon deck. These simple elements bring everything together to create a charming patio for everybody to enjoy.